Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to send a voice message on Facebook Messenger instead of typing out long text messages. This feature is perfect when you want to communicate more naturally or when typing isn't convenient. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Messenger app and browse through your conversations. Click on the conversation where you want to send your voice message. This could be an existing chat with a friend, family member, or group conversation. Once you tap on it, the conversation will open and display your previous messages. Now direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you normally type messages. Instead of the text input field, you'll notice a microphone icon positioned on the right side. This is your voice message button, and it's specifically designed for recording and sending audio clips quickly. Go ahead and click on this microphone icon to begin the recording process. Once you click the microphone, Messenger will immediately start recording your voice. Start speaking clearly to create your voice message. You can say whatever you need to communicate, whether it's a quick update, detailed explanation, or just a friendly greeting. The app will capture your audio in real time, so there's no need to press anything else while you're talking. Now, here's something important to know. If you make a mistake while recording or simply want to start over, don't worry, you'll see a trash can icon appear on the screen while you're recording. Simply click this trash can icon to discard the current recording, then click the microphone icon again to start fresh from the beginning. This gives you complete control over your message without having to send something you're not happy with. Once you've finished recording your message and you're satisfied with how it sounds, you'll see a send icon appear on your screen. Click this send icon to deliver your voice message to the conversation. The recipient will receive it instantly and can play it back whenever they're ready to listen. And that's it, you've successfully sent a voice message on Facebook Messenger, making your communication faster and more personal than traditional text messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.